Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Cooking with Lisa. As we already know, Life with Lisa. And today I will be cooking, and I probably will be using this intro for more than one video because I'll be cooking more than one stuff today. Therefore, I want to use the same intro because ain't nobody got time to do that over. So, yeah, I'm so excited. I never made this kind of potato pie, and I never made cheesecake. So stay tuned for that video. Stay tuned for these videos. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment for future videos that you guys want to see. And yeah, tag along, guys. Do I have anything else to say? I will not be showing my face much in this video because I'm hella rusty anyways, but yeah. What else do I have to say? I will be splitting up this video into parts because I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoy my cooking. Mwah. Thank you guys for the new subscribers as well. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Mwah. See you guys in the next clip. So I already cleaned and washed my chicken. So now I'm going to rewash my chicken with some lemon juice. If you want, you could use lime juice. It really doesn't matter, but I use lemon juice. After washing with the lemon juice, I went over and I rinsed it with clean water. I used 2 onions, or basically 1.5 onion, to put on a chicken. At least 5 cloves of garlic grated, and this is some complete seasoning that I bought processed. I never really measure, I just eyeball everything basically. This is some packaged all-purpose seasoning. Trust me, this is a lifesaver. So I just eyeball everything. This is some hot and spicy barbecue sauce. I just put a good variety of it on the chicken, and I also add ketchup to it so that I could create a ketchup barbecue hot and spicy sauce. So I just eyeball everything as usual, and then I put it to bake, and then I see how the process is going. If it needs more, I add more. If when baking and I see it needs more seasoning after tasting, then I'll add. If not, I'll leave it just as it is. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. I check my chicken after intervals to make sure that it is going good, make sure that it tastes right, and as I said before, if it needed anything I would add. So at this point, after turning the chicken, I added a good amount of barbecue hot sauce on the chicken to make sure that the color turns like this as you are seeing now. And make sure it gets a good color, and then I put it back to bake until the sauce comes in like this. And yeah, the chicken is finished. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to try it. Bye.